this is Ali from Prayash Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on Zari border tussar. It's all Gachi and premium quality tussar. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so whenever you upload the videos, you will get the notification. This is the sari number 1. As you can see, it's a combination of red and blue. So the pallu border and the blouse piece will be a red, and all over body, as you can see, it's a hand painted all over. So just see the color shading. It's the shades of yellow, red, white is there. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is all over look. Just see the color combination, the design. So this is the all over look of the sari. It's very pretty and a nice color combination, and it's all pure silk mark certified. So this is the BP comes in the sari. This is the sari number 2, and it's a combination of peach, and the pallu will be a multicolor shaded. As you can see the color shading, it's a yellow, green and blue. This is the shading on the pallu and blouse piece. So pallu and blouse will remain same, and all over body, as you can see, it's a peach color with the skirt part paisley design. So this is the abstract paisley. So this will come to the skirt. So how it will look, I'll just show. So just see the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll just show you the closer view of this paisley. So there is a 2 motifs up and down. So this will come to the skirt, and see the pallu. So when you drape the sari, it will look like this, and blouse piece is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari. This is the sari number 3, and as you can see, it's a combination of green, and the base color is a jet black with the multicolor floral skirt part design. So this is one of our hit designs, and every week we try to change different combinations. So this week we have brought some new combination. It's a green and black. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. I'll just show you the closer view of this painting. So just see the shading. It's a mustard yellow, orange and shades of green. So this will come to the skirt. Pallu is there. It's a very nice color combination design, and BP will be remain same. It's a green color blouse. Sari number 4, and it's a combination of brown and light creamy yellow, I will say. It's not proper yellow, it's a creamish yellow. And just see the block print. It's a arrangement print, it's a corner to corner. Just see the shading. It's a rani green and brown we have used. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and just see I'll show you the detailing of this print. So this is the print, and the pallu is there. So this is a corner to corner design from skirt and the shoulder. This design will come, and the pallu is there, and see the BP. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is the sari number 5, and it's a combination of purple. Just see the color. It's a deep purple, and this print we have just introduced. Last week I have shown on deep maroon color, this time on purple. So this is the pallu of the sari, and just have a look. Just see the print. It's like a embroidery, but actually it's a discharge print. I'll show you the closer view of this print. So this is the all over look. It's a very pretty and very smart looking sari, and on the pallu there is a zigzag lines will come on the pallu. It's a very smart looking sari, and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. So this is the sari number 6, and as you can see, it's a gun spray shading. So this is a combination of red, orange and rani. So this is the arrangement print. It's a corner to corner, and I'll show you the closer view of this leaf motifs. So it's a very abstract and very artistic. So I'll just show how it will look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. Just have a look. I'll show you the closer view of this. So there is a shading in between the design. So it's as you can see, the orange, red and rani is there. So this is the print. It's a corner to corner. Pallu is there. And blouse piece. So blouse piece also gun spray shading with the border is there. This is the last saree of this episode. Again one more purple with a different design. So I'll just show you the closer view of this print. So there is a zigzag lines on the pallu, and this you can see it's a white discharge, and in between there is a light yellow color we have used. So this is we called Shivli full. It's a new block print. So just have a look. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over print. It's a very small tiny prints. This is all over comes. It's a very smart looking sari. So if you like the design and want to change the color combination, so that can be done on order. We take customized order also. So just have a look. So this is the all over look of the sari. Amazing sari. Nice color, and the design is very pretty one. And the blouse is there. So this is the BP comes with the sari with the zigzag lines border. So thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please subscribe the channel, and if you share the video, so it will be a very helpful for us. COD facilities available only in central Kolkata. For other states you have to do bank transfer, Google Pay, Phone Pay we also accept. For bulk queries or any wholesale queries, please do WhatsApp. Our number is flashing on the screen. It's 829 689 7264.